Dean, the most problematic part of this is that this isn't something that the midterms of the 2024 election will be able to change, or even the 2022, to be honest. These justices will be in power for decades, and therefore, regardless of, the presidency or even the number of representatives that may come and go in any given year or off-term election, the GOP have the most power. They have the power to turn almost anything into policy with this. What do you make on what that means for the majority of Americans to have a say in the future of this country? I've tried to outline how I think and view the Supreme Court as now being undemocratic, and those that put it in power are not democratic. And you have this dynamic now where the majority, and that's how a democracy should function, the majority of the will of the people are not, or is not rather, being reflected in the Supreme Court.
Absolutely not. First of all, Ayman, thanks for having me on. I appreciate it. Second of all, you know what is the most stunning part of all of this? And I think people are uncomfortable to talk about it. This is about the GOP wanting to impose their extreme religious beliefs as the law of the land to oppress women. And I just heard the Taliban suing the GOP for trademark infringement. This is the Taliban's move. And I'm not saying the GOP and the Taliban are the same, but it is their playbook. It is turning their extreme religious beliefs into the law of the land. And here's the irony, Ayman. You and I are Muslim. They used to accuse us of wanting to do that in America. We didn't want to. They were projecting what they wanted to do. So only 30% of Americans want to overturn Roe. They don't care because, in their view, that's what their interpretation of their faith, and I call it GOP Sharia law. That's what they're trying to pose. It's GOP Sharia law, and if they're not going to stop there, they're going to come for birth control, marriage equality. Who knows what's next? Ayman, we have to have some response. Maybe we have to ban bacon. We have to ban pork. We have to do something as Muslims to push back on this. But the reality is that people should be, you don't want to live in a theocracy. You should be very upset because that's really, it's not a legal dispute.
Yeah.
This is taking extreme beliefs and turning it into the law of the land. And what about the rest of our religious liberty? The right loves to talk religious liberty. What about our religious liberty, the women's religious liberty to control their own body? They don't care. It's all been a lie by the right.
Yeah, and they don't want government interfering in their affairs either.